Hey everyone, welcome back to your learning journey in the statistics and probability for data science. Now in this video, we'll take up a hands-on approach to recap on the statistics foundations that we had from the last 13 videos. So it will be an hands-on approach. We'll load a data set and we are going to recap on the important concepts that we have seen till now. So let's get started. So as part of your learning journey till now, you have looked into the various concepts. So like if I want to get the same, so you started with your learning journey by understanding about the concept of data, the concept of information, and the statistics analysis, descriptive statistics. You'll also understood about the inferential statistics, types of data, and how to describe the data in an efficient way. Now, in the process, you have learned about the measure of central tendency, measures of variation, measures of shape. So all these things that you have learned in an hands-on manner with the relevant coding example. Now, as part of this video, we are going to summarize all the concepts that we have seen till now, which will help you to prepare yourself for the upcoming learning journey that is on exploratory data analysis, which will be starting after the end of this video. So let's get started, team. So first thing that I'll start by loading the data set. So as I mentioned already, I'll be sharing all the code file in the LMS. So I'll be sharing with you at the end of the session. So for now, I have just uploaded the data file, that is titanic.csv file, which is what I'll be using right now. And I'll start loading the necessary libraries. I'll say import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, then df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, titanic.csv, then df.head. So this will display first few entries of our data frame, and it will help us understand what kind of data that we have got on this data set. First thing is, let's start classifying this data set. So this is a numerical data. It looks like a passenger ID. So you can think of it as a discrete data. Survived, it's a binary data set. Passenger column, it's a discrete data that we have got this time. Name, which is a categorical data. Age looks to be a continuous value, and number of siblings and so on. We have got the categorical data and the embark location. So we can see various information and various types of data that we have got on this data set. Now let's go ahead and let's call the describe function on this data frame. If I call the describe function on this data frame, this is going to describe about the data frame with the descriptive statistics. Here, this has displayed the count. That means how many number of rows that we have got on this data. And mean, the measure of central tendency, that is the single value which explains my data set. And standard deviation, which explains the variability from the mean. Minimum value and the maximum value, which will help me to understand the range of my data set. 25 percentile and 75 percentile refers to Q1 and Q3, and 50 percentile refers to the median value of this data set. Let's take up the age column. In the age column, we have some missing values. Hence, I can see the count as 714. And the average age of a person who is present in this data set is 29.699, and the minimum is 0.42. That means there's a 5 or 6 months kid that is present in that Titanic, and there's a maximum age of a person is 80. So that is what I can get to know from the range, and this is the value of mean. And standard deviation is 14.52, which describes that overall distribution of the data set around the mean is 14.52. That is what we observe, and that is what we can say from the value of standard deviation. The median value is 28. So in this example, we can clearly observe the mean and median are closer together. Now that's really a good sign, especially when we are dealing with the continuous data. So those values are closer together. And if I want to calculate the range is obviously maximum minus minimum. That is going to give me the range. Now, apart from that, if I want to calculate the interquartile range, it will be the difference between Q3 and Q1. Okay, it will be the difference between Q3 and Q1 that is going to give me the interquartile range. Now in the next section, when we start working on exploratory data analysis, I'll also go in depth about the interquartile range, how we can use the same in order to find the outliers in a given data set. For now, we'll keep it as it is. Okay, so Q3 minus Q1 is going to give me the IQR. And the median over here, it says 28. So how do I calculate the median? Median is, I'll sort the data. Once I sort the data, I'll pick up the median value. Median is the middle value. So that will give me the median value of a data set. All right, folks. So those are the important things that we have learned as part of our learning journey till now, especially in the section of descriptive statistics. All these things helped us to describe the data in a much more efficient way. Now, these kind of working that we have done right now, it was on a table data. We represented the data in the format of numbers. Now, to have a better finding on a data set, to identify the patterns in an efficient manner, we make use of exploratory data analysis technique, where we try to summarize the data with the help of plots as well as some aggregation. We will learn in depth as we progress in our learning journey. Alright folks, and few of the learners have been requesting me to provide more information about the statistics course. Now I want to take this opportunity and share more information about the statistics course that we have got. See, the statistics course that we have got right now, like one is a free course which you are already aware of, which is currently running on our YouTube channel. The way that you can access is click on courses here. The statistics and probability, the community edition is what you are seeing right now. Now, apart from this, there's a premium edition for those of you who would like to join. So this is present over here. Now, the special thing about this course, let me just take you through the same. Here, each and every concept that you'll be learning, you'll go in depth in those learning sessions. And also, this includes the hands-on project for each and every topic that you'll be learning. This would ensure that you as a learner will always have an hands-on, will always have a relevant data set to work on and practice on as you progress in the learning journey. That's the overall idea about this premium course that we have got. It is available on our website, and you can also check out our course page on Udemy. So we've got multiple courses. So if I want to show our instructor profile, yeah, we've got a course on statistics, we've got a course on linear algebra, data science with SAP, calculus, computer vision, deep learning crash course, Linux essentials. Feel free to check out, and I look forward to seeing you next time. So if you are new to us, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, because I'll be adding more and more learning content for free so that you as a learner can progress in your learning journey. I want to ensure that whatever that I have gained through my experience, I want to share to you. So please subscribe to our channel. If you need any help, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to include it in the next video. Thanks again for watching.